Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be asked to either sign in or create a new account. For instance, if I select the email or phone number login feature, I can use either of them to sign in. But since we don't remember any one of those, what we need to do is simply tap on the question mark icon at top right corner, tap on the recover your account feature, and then select the username feature from the list. Now, you just need to enter your TikTok username and tap on next. On this page, tap on the Need Help embed at the bottom and then select Recover My Account. Once done, type in something like this and select the Recover My Account embed. Now all you need to do is tap on this Recover Account button and follow the on-screen steps. Another thing you can try is you can open any type of preferred browser and search for TikTok feedback. Now access this website and start by selecting the topic. Simply select General Account Recovery, choose Recover Account, and enter the required information. Once done, submit the request and you will be able to recover your account. So that's basically how you can recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.